Okay, Salwa, let's look at will or be going to, which are similar to each other. So with some more examples. So I'm gonna read the first sentence and you will read the sentence with be going to. So let's go. I will read a book this month.
I am going to read a book this month.
I will meet you tomorrow.
I am going to meet you tomorrow.
Very good. I will buy a new book this month.
I am going to buy a new book this month.
Very good. You will come to the class on time.
You are going to come to the class on time.
Very good. You will help your mom with the washing up.
You are going to help your mom with the washing up.
Very good. You will solve the problem carefully.
You are going to solve the problem carefully.
Very good. Carefully, not carefully, carefully.
Carefully.
Yeah, look at this. The British pronunciation is care, carefully, carefully.
Okay, carefully.
Okay. He will have tea and biscuits for breakfast.
He is going to have tea and biscuits for breakfast.
Very good. She will have rice and curry for lunch.
She is going to have rice and curry for lunch.
Very good. We will have rice and salad for dinner.
We are going to have rice and salad for dinner.
Remember, this is not salad, salad. Sa has the stress. Salad, salad.
Salad. Salad.
Sa, salad.
Salad.
Salad. Let me make it red so you remember. Okay. They will have something special for dinner.
They are going to have something special for dinner.
Yes, special.
Special.
Yeah. Remember,
For
it's
dinner.
not special or special. Look at this. Special. Special. Shall. You're not shall. Special.
Special.
Some people don't know the correct pronunciation and they say special or special. It's not special, it's special. Special. Okay.
Special.
So one more time, very quickly. I'll read a book this month.
I am going to read a book this month.
I'll meet you tomorrow.
I am going to meet you tomorrow.
I'll buy a new book this month.
I am going to buy a new book this month.
You will come to the class on time.
You are going to come to the class on time.
You will help your mom with the washing up.
You are going to help your mom with the washing up.
You understand washing up?
Yes.
What is it?
Like wash the plate.
Yeah. So after eating, the plate
Yes.
is put on the sink and then you do the washing
We
up.
wash.
Yeah. So you will solve the problem carefully.
You are going to solve the problem carefully. Carefully.
Carefully.
Carefully.
Sorry. He will have tea and biscuits for breakfast.
He is going to have tea and biscuits for breakfast.
She will have rice and curry for lunch.
She's going to have rice and curry for lunch.
We will have rice and salad for dinner.
We will have rice and salad for. We are going to have rice and salad for dinner.
They will have something special for dinner.
They are going to have something special for dinner.
Yeah, so remember this word carefully. I'm going to make it red. Carefully.
Yeah.
Solve, I explained, when you solve something, you fix it. For example, your mobile doesn't work and you ask someone to fix it, they fix it and it works. So they solved the problem with your mobile. And then the word is salad, not salad, it's salad. And this is biscuit, not biscuits, biscuits. And this is special, special. Okay, so these are words you need to remember. And remember this will or be going to, they two are very similar in meaning. Yeah, there is a subtle difference, but don't worry about this. For now, they are similar. You can use them interchangeably. Yeah, so thank you. Let's go.